Hi, in this problem we're going to eliminate theta from these two equations, and we'll do this by using a trig identity. Now we have that cosine theta for this equation is equal to x over 4 and sine theta is equal to y over 3. Now, if we use cosine square theta add sine squared theta identical to 1, then we get that we have x over 4 squared and y over 3 squared, and this is equal to 1. Now this will give us x squared over 16 and y squared over 9 is equal to 1, which implies that we can write x 9x squared and 16y squared is equal to 144. So we've used a trig identity, cosine squared theta and sine squared theta equivalent to 1, to eliminate theta from these two equations, giving us an equation in x and y. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair. Bye for now.